Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your images bigger or like your videos bigger in CapCut PC. It's actually a pretty simple thing to do. It's pretty similar on mobile and on the the desktop app. So on your phone, obviously you're going to add your picture and like you're going to kind of like zoom it in with like your two thumbs and just like zoom it in like you would normally zoom a picture. But on desktop, you can either select scale here and kind of zoom in and zoom out. Or you can use this like, I don't know what it's called, like the scale box here, the like white area around. And scale in and scale out. And you can even like move it around to position it wherever you like. And that is it. It is that simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!